What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can find the Dark Marksman's plate gloves in Crimson Desert. These brawny gloves grant your character 16 attack and 7 defense, with a level 1 movement speed bonus. It's also got abyss gears that provide another level 1 boost in movement speed and a level 1 lightning resistance. First, you'll need to buy some keys from the back alley shop located southeast of the town of Hernand. Once that's settled, head to the west of Demonis, directly to the right of the Golden Plains. The waypoint indicates the location of the gloves, which aligns vertically with the letter D of Dewhaven and O of Gorthak, with the horizontal line just sitting below the Golden Plains label. Zoom in and you'll find that it's in a place called the Forgotten Watchtower. When you reach the area, just simply find the door to the tower, approach it, and use the key you bought from Grimrack to unlock it. Enter the tower and there's the chest. Loot it and you've got yourself free gloves of speed. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.